Hello everyone and welcome back to NoMansLand on FS22. Now, as I said before, last episode, I want to do a little bit of TLC. Now, I have been doing a little in between episodes. I don't know, when did I drive through that field? Anywho, as you can see, the greenhouse is gone. There is no longer concrete random pads. I pushed the greenhouse back here to be with the rest of them. So that's making that easier just to do this. Just tidied that up a little bit. Punched a hole through the fence there. Added some worker cars and some seating arrangements for them. Delivery trucks for that. And around the farm, that's pretty much what I've added. Detailed the track a little bit. I want to work on this, but to do this, we're gonna need some cash. Now, during my TLC, I did move a couple things in town. I moved the recycling center that was completely inaccessible with trucks from top of the hill down over here, as you see it in the distance, and decorated it a little bit. But I want to sell a lot out of the warehouse. Now, I have a truck full of sugar right now. I was fertilizing the field here, but got distracted, so I'm actually just gonna move this guy out of the field for now. I moved this over by the wood cutting log camp, and this is what's gonna reside. I want to get the log puller machine, I forget what it's called, to drag the logs from way over there down to here, like a staging area. We'll get to that in time. Tab, 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 tab. There we go. Now, this is going to take quite a few trips. So I might do this in a time lapse just to sell as much as I can. So yeah, it's pretty early in the video, but it's been a while since I did a time lapse. Alright, here we approach the new recycling center with a bunch of sell points around it. You gonna take anything? Nope. But there you go. A small booth will take stuff. Oh, it's taking a juice too. Probably be better off to sell the juice over there, but at the moment, I'm not being picky. I believe that market stall just accepts everything. We got maple syrup, we got the new crops, new greenhouses, we got... And I could add more here if I need to. But all I have left in the warehouse is... I think prefab walls, planks. So I think having close to a mill should be enough to do what I want. Not only do we need a warehouse for the grape and olive fields, I want another warehouse. Possibly delete that overhead hanger one that I have. Like, we'll see. Maybe buy a warehouse that has solar panels on it. That might be worth more. There's still some honey pallets I gotta sell. I spawned, but I could not do that again. That's smooth. If I tried. This is where like the big objects go, which is pretty freaking cool actually. I really like that. So, what do we need here? Definitely need a shed. Yeah, definitely not that one. Let's zoom a little bit here. Too big. Too small. Alright, never mind, you're locked to 90 degree. Potato warehouse? Seriously? Okay. Drive-through. Why are you locked to moving? No, we don't need that. Pallet warehouse. Nah. Old-time shed with vehicle workshop. Interesting. Huh. Straw harvest pack. That's another pack I never got into. Silo shed. Bulk. What do we want here? It's kind of looking for one that has solar panels on the roof. That's a pretty decent sized one. How's that one? Kind of like that one. We'll come back to that. That is way too big. I wouldn't mind putting that over here. That one either. Alright, let's... Yeah, this one looks good. Now, can I put it here? I don't want to put it over here. I think I'm going to put it over here. Give myself a little bit of turning space. Done. Where's my gravel? Get rid of all this. Not bad. I like it. Do I have lights? I do. I know we gotta cultivate the fields. I plan to once I get this stuff stored away. I need some terrain smoothing, I felt. One. Yeah, it does bump up right there. Man, these machines are so complex looking. And two. I honestly expected to spend like $500,000. Ooh, this forgot this has like multiple joint bends. Tell you what, we'll put you here. Try to back up with this thing. Good enough for that thing. I'll tell you what, if you ever want to feel claustrophobic, this is a tractor for you. Oh, there's no PTO shaft? You just drive? Or does this go behind the mower? Behind the tractor? Alright, apparently that does nothing. At least for right now, that does nothing. There's probably more tools I need. Alright, there's that stuff in the put away in the shed. It's growing. Not fertilized. Grapes are growing too. Like, I don't know. We'll worry about that in a little bit. Oh, we're back to construction. Do a little ground softening. That's just the thing, like, sometimes it just needs... I just gotta straighten out a couple things. Add some grass. Some bushes. So it doesn't look so generic. Generically placed. Hey, look at that. Look how much nicer that made that look. But we're gonna do something here. Let's add a little entryway to the field. This might be needed some trim. We'll see. All right, back onto shed buying. That is a massive shed. And the weird part is, it fits. It's not a drive-through though. Don't really need it. Is there another one of these? silo shed? Apparently not. This is a drive-through shed. It's not that big either. If I put that there... No lie, I almost just hit the H key. To hold the blueprint in place. Wrong game. If I do that... Let's see. Nope. Where's the gravel? I don't know why, I just like gravel surrounding most of my buildings. I mean, it just seems nicer. It seems something that would be there. Not that one. Not that one. Yeah, animal mud. Yeah, get rid of that. Gravel. Here I'll put concrete. This is the walk-in door. Like the main office door. We'll put concrete there. Alright, apparently it has clap on lights. Can we go in here? No. That stinks. It seems like you should be able to. Oh well. Pretend is the name of the game, I guess. Now, what to put in there, or I should say what can fit in there, is the question. Nope. Negatino on the Colossus Harvester. I know that will fit. That's about the same height door. Might put the attachments in there. That seems about a good place for anything. Attachments I don't really use or need anymore. That's a nice window piece. I could take them off one at a time and put them away properly, but I'm not that concerned. Maybe I'll just get rid of this awning and put an actual proper awning in. Well, with more solar panels. There's more money per hour income is always welcome. I left that open because I want to do something. What is that? A bank? Build a bank? A gas station? Holy. That's cool. You all heard that, right? But I want to put a pressure washer in here. Because I can. So if I want to spray something down, I can. Alright, construction again. Let's get rid of this. And I need an open shed, preferably with panels. That's what to solve. Alright, let's try that on for size for right now. It should fit, doing that super scientific comparison. Yeah, middle bays only. Wow, I'm surprised I got it out of there first try. Oh, this could actually fit in the other bays. Also, that's cool. There's that, there's that. This, I have no idea what I bought it for. None. I think that's all of the equipment that I want to put out. Yeah. There's a couple other things I want to do, though. Do want to put a couple more bees up. All the money we earned today is gone between 1, 2, 3 sheds. Just a beehive or two in places, you know. To add with everything. Alright, others, dogs, chickens. Wow, that was timing. Like, seriously, that was timing and a half. Save, save, save. Huh, you can't teleport to the chicken coop. Thought you could. Yeah, that would never happen in real life, but hey, it's a video game. Everything, all the animals are looking good. Okay, but they're quite old. These are looking good. Oh, they're young and might need to rotate the cows out. Or add more. Let's check growth. That's ready to harvest. They're growing. Holy crooked. These are both cultivated. Everything else is still growing. We don't have that many fields. We need to expand on that. And I need to do some mad fertilizing. So, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Probably gonna see more Farm Sim. Maybe I'll start a new map. I haven't decided yet. With Pacific Drive come to an end, which I don't think the last episode is going to release by the time that one comes out. Oops. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching and the support. And we'll catch you all on the next one. Later.